This island is so dangerous that the public isn't allowed to visit. Off the coast of Brazil lies Snake Island, home to thousands of venomous golden lancehead vipers found nowhere else on Earth. Some estimates suggest there may be one snake for every few square meters. Their venom is incredibly powerful, evolved to quickly immobilize birds before they can escape. To protect both people and the endangered snakes, the Brazilian government strictly restricts access to the island, one of the most dangerous places on Earth.